Hopeson for higher juicy news. Bima Wibia Akwaba had the latest hot Akwa Annan Bremo. Energy Sonia subscribe to channel area Bomodian say or be subscribe. You be the say or click a year the subscribe button. Now wabeli notification. We had a video for Frubia be upload. With the first person I was a beka a year sa video. Afi we are now like video no give us a thumbs up now fi share my wo for so that when you be here now who and somewhere so e Ghana memoano afi entertainment yembura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so eye Hopeson Adorye edi ensema tudwa eye koke hu sensem ye Reverend Ntim Fordjour ne nsema wo kokeka ye se e plan bia besi o memo a se koke ani sika dosopu egum akoye nsem bebre eno ena ye Hopeson Adorye achere adwafa ho a wada nsem bebre afa koke cases a aba ye Ghana memo hanoma penifo bia wan ho bon wo mu ni ade Hopeson edi ne nyina atudwa Hopeson abrobro ensem bebre so intentemara yonko eye Hopeson Adorye yonko dakachi na yonkuti ensema wodi e tudwa fa ye kuke hu sensemi wenti Hopeson ensem no
ba commander ma mi say question answer as your experience when national security and afa airport no plane na ye ka ho asem no alen say lande wo krom ha di 5 days ansa no mo de foforo ba e ma wo mo eye ho adwuma mo koye nti sa 5 days period no se bibi say si wo airport mo amoye adwuma ho no den na moye
yo ayana nipa no bebre ente nyama ni biase enti omo kan just like that pray bia ni ho betima twam o Ghana ye airspace without authorization you bet to water form what I say
okay
yes
Ghana forces is ready
the air force
air force say wo ba na one seek permission enya Ghana na wo ba wo
one touch
wo free Togo etwemu akoko d'Ivoire no permission even on our waters on our waters okoko fapo no so na ye Ghana territory na one seek clearance on betew
okay
eti ansa na plane be Ghana no wo ne fe no landing permit
okay
ye wo airspace a obetimaje permission atwam wo ba be landi wo Ghana just a lot of information I beje everywhere you know include even nyama wode ba ni bibia wo mo beje sade no no mama ye kan say permit and so what ma baba bc number 1 near Ntim Fordjour ekan ye no media mi hu say na ye political propaganda
okay
she ye wa hay information ya ni enya ye kasi ye putu ni nyina wa bontia Kenya papa memi wa airport obi timi ka chem so oh yi bia ba bisi ha sei ya lodu sika ma eni ade obekom na hwe
ni ho
oh container bia bisi airport sika nko an egum asiwa be say former MPB any party pedibi eba be hu me bra na mo airport no oh omo ni broni bi na bae oh omo sika bia ba be ka container dia ntin komo pese be ya yi na komo ko no mo ko bie so hwe se etisen adam say ah na se mo awo kan o ti ase ye ba sika wo container baba be si airport o pese o bebe ye adam say okay ana me put two no question 1 or 2 afi na kwa no hopo anam say okay gina ho ana me free custom officer bi anam say ah yes say obi say ana kwa na zini da former MP say hope say nyami shira we nka mi kogu mi ho animu ase kwa wo hu de che no wada da omo anka omo edi papa obo ho so no da ko atwe omo sika nyina agura o sika no go wo de ma mi say na mi fa ko yese ni daga ama fo ye ewu krom no bebre several examples we can give you bebre so on that now the one here any propaganda in the sense is they say obi afro oh pin bia ba besi ho wa mo free de bia Peters yo mo che no nre
de mo che no nre
say o tu kwan a Akufo Addo time o mo ma no permission a we use presidential gate
Nigeria
how on earth one ye diplomat
Akufo Addo
one ye hwe one ye businessman e wo krum ha sei e die na be man that permit your members of parliament cannot use the presidential gate. It's only the president, ebia ambassadors, or no krano, a special clearance from the national security. Answer. Obia du hon mo betima yusu. Just say what your clearance every ayi. Me ebra na mo say otumfo the wife otu kwanya. Bo besi form na no. E ho na me frɛ me coordinator na me say otumfo yire oba the way a ntinka on hwese nka gate 19 on betima man clearance. O so okay. Ano mo tutu no ma no mo man clearance. E say no no duru ho a wo di wram. Ehimfu bi wo ho mpanifo bi like the chairman of council of state, speaker of parliament, chief of staff, foreign affairs minister ne wo mundu betima use that gate 19. Not the new presidential gate, black gate no. The mom old terminal gate 19 ubetima wura ho. Eti sa papa yi eti bi nya the authority.
E ko black gate.
E wura ho. Wo kwa ne biama egu card mu nyina obi anseche. Yen scanne.
Yes.
Straight what drive straight to the aircraft no move no oko. Wo ba car wram akwako yi ne nyama straight no dey aba. Obi anim say we na me dey ko, we na me dey ba. This is the country we are in. And the people
no, this is the country we were in. We are not more in it.
We were in.
We were in.
And chum.
Yeah.
Yeah, just be who cry you say chum. So power is saying here. One day be na info say papa no eko. Ada me frɛ and this impedi for me.
Alatani ya chi.
Alatani ya. Ana mo ma boys buy the koko gina gate 19. Na mfate mrante de see form no. E bit say ya come in agbesi abo.
Oh okay, I can see that.
Yes.
That's right.
Afi say how there unim say cameras. Obu ye na no obo ya alarmed. Om say eh. E dey na ekosu. Ah, ye gina ho na yempene no. Omo mata mo de beba wo. Ye duru ya na me ma one of the guys epo gate na no. Ana aviation security obi say oh na omo adamfo bi o tukwan o be yusu ha sei na o ka se o mehia no. Eti opese wo hu lista o mo be fa ho that day na won hwese o ka ho ase won ka ho dia na wakwa time no wo inside ho obobo ene di ni ka.
Hey,
eti wana me cast one free for reinforcement and a guys no buy. Eti omote me o ha na police for e buy o am say my friend we are here on a peaceful mission. Monko mochi. Mo je mo adwene se mo beye bibia ne ebe ba no blame yourself. Anaja omkoko pe ba bitnai. Ah, ye jina ho yempene no. Ah, that the former coordinator Asumani no afraid Julius Debra and Hopeson the boys have gone on music. Timo ho no ana me nyako. Na me say enya asem no say ni say was it sana asem ni there. Okay. Me na wo kasa na ye jina ho no mo hu si aba begu ho no. No more could be a black gate now. Only the president have the access to that gate. Ama mai no afa ho no. Ama the fright no wakwako wram atuko ni ye jina ho no mo twen say oba be fa gate 19.
Who did that?
Who did that? Are they the security coordinator?
Yeah, sure.
Why you didn't to hodum? Me, I am planning to meet the new coordinator. Na mamano some kind of a year as is investigative. This thing happened on this 14th of December or so. 14th of December.
No, but then there was no we were no
American. Yes. 18 no, either 14th or 18th. I will check the date well. As I said that day, activities. As I said, or more investigating. Sad date, no. No more shady. Yeah, one much no on the was I go ye a yifufro. 18 year Ntim Fordjour kind. Plain air banner or my landing permit or mababe, you know. There are a lot of can I say several instances are plane aba entiman go back. I can mention British Airways. Etimisi tarmac so by 4 days. You can say Turkish airline. See tarmac no so more than 1 week.
Wow.
KLM. Eba na di some days. You say yi kakra ba ho. Just some engineers if you broche ba no mo behwe. Eni ade etimi eti ono sa na obeka se na bibi wo mu ntina wantima nkwa na. So on eche no. Eti all these things ekoso. Now, ebi ohodum a private jets ni bi ba na eye delegation bi a omoba on official visit. Ebi a omoba be hu president, ebi omoba be hu ye kan say ministers bi ni ade. Wo mo je sa clearance ni gina ansankrofo na ba. Eti the mere fact is say private jet taxi no. It should not be the ye say beka say ebi ase anase say. No. Ense say kan say na mum say obi tia o na so say bibi say ya. Then you go further to do thorough investigation. Now, Ntim Fordjour etis asem we. Ana go frɛ National Security Coordinator. Ana frɛ NIB. Ana frɛ police, even CID and IGP.
No, even the MD of the airport.
That's right. Ana o catch and say information say na manyante mu mientu ho na money ehwe.
Quiet.
Ana ko mo amua, ana obeka na bontia. Ono no ka me support no 100%. Say otu anamon papa. Nieti America we nyina ne say me say a political propaganda just to smear Bahama the beginning ya no ye man local black. Very dark. E wa man for this so. E no no mo ye no. Now, can you imagine this? Two political parties ye di o man yisu. Obi be betena ase. We don't know cocaine no or say one chick and answer one country and crofo. Anamibwa.
Yeah.
And Obi Suba no say, hey, would you see America? Within a matter of you can say 3 months no major bust. Involve over $350 million. Now Okoka say Sani Pano ye cocaine, it means you don't have sense. Without any apology. How can you say wo Kwaku Addo na wasacho? Doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
At times otie nkomoni bia na ye bibia e wo honom. But process na na we ka say won ti ase no. Be I support it. And go through you say it's a matter of time. Wobeko obi ba so wuko wachi wobe ho ane se wapem dan ahifa biom na besa ko wonya baabi anko biom and these are some of the things hwe ma been read the story bi wa tinjro.
Okay.
City
Etiminya 2 minutes on my
City newsroom. Cocaine trafficking syndicate of Ghanaian origin arrested, jailed in US. This was published in February 14th, 2022. Yedi Valentine ena ebaso nieti American way no na amanfo enya the understanding of it. Cocaine fight no, it's not about making noise. We ya desa won mwa oman no. Ntim Fordjour ye obi bia wo ye involve bia senka na enka ye no krempo a was scatter bibia was say bibia. Now was say a gang of drug traffickers having been arrested through a joint operations by Ghanaian officials and their counterpart from the United Kingdom. Two, the arrest led to the seizure of 38 kilograms of cocaine estimated to be valued at £2.88 million sterling. Tiedino, the suspects are Erikusi Apia, wadi 51 years. Abed Kaitre Jemfi, wadi 52 years. Jennifer Ajemai, wadi 38 years. And Julius Tete Poplampo, wadi 58 years. Now, Sanklofowi, go and do their background check, their political affiliation. Go and do it. Then she say, wamu free party mem. Number 2, wamu che wamono appear and omudi kache no first. Ewo UK. Wamu che no others no. No mu wo mai mu ha sei. Wamu anya hu dede. That story am yike. After say wamu aye bibia jeli wamu and the bar bontia city a publish here. Now, wamuche Eric no, Anno detain no. Anno money na yes, or the microphone casano mafre, oh, Fasefa, ye say, and the Kakao, Anno mutamo ya Ghana for no so, because Omunche or Moase. Eti omu say oh we na ekono na yama red light no udru ha ne apeke uboko udru ha ne adom di nya sa 5 we a che say wo ma jeli omo a omo wo UK prison menim say omo twa omo mfi awia na so omo ntwan wie eti in that case no won say omo cartel no a omo di operate no yakate no eti say na nkese say handle the issues wutia no one information boko training nipa na ne ache no ni a training nipa na ne ache no eni ade se ubefa ye kan se private jet se wa lodu cocaine agum e de ba Ghana just wa bodam na obeye sade no I am telling you because ye Ghana has no ye mu ye security for no but I can tell you say your security system one of the best in Africa every bi ana make say Ghana police service se wo mo ankasa gya tumu se ye free akoma mu pe ya adwuma Ghana ha sei engede aze na wo gai nkrofo bebre o machichi wo mo amanfo ma bonte ne ne kai ka ho no eye bebre etime de sa koke issue we no betima catch your plane say propaganda ana no de ye sei koko ye ya wo shifting the burden of proof to government wo na wo allege no wo hwe wo afri ho Anna strategy ba kwa file say Mahama respond here in the emotion quickly as matro defense and interior committee let us meet and when the committee
now need to meet me meeting and san ade beto
what that information wo committee na man say committee asabo amatini level we badam for bawo any 1 week gra menena aye and I may catch how some of these things should be handled any other. He was grateful. But it should not be that. It should not be so. Okay. So Baba Kasem Nevi Nafe Uteki cover ewo and parliamentary duties in the yes. Obia and si ukwan say menye. Ghana ni bia ni we besi ukwan say uhu se koke a wuntimi ma meka ho asem. Nanso asa na Baba ka ho asem no. Koke do gra ne mi hu ye no. Photo a mi twa ye ni. Video a mi take ye ni. Sample bia mi hu se da ho na me pick ye adunie et security for munje na mumfa nya adwuma. Simple. Sadly identity the image of the country. Very huge. Yeah, face ya tiani ya kasa identity very very huge.
Okay.
Now we share MPP news portal. Now omo yi ana you and other government say, look, you are destroying this country.
Okay.
Change one of you. And now movie say abandon the bumba mu bie mu kra no mu. One day mu baba ba mu. Na sa image we na mo create the ato no. Na fe eba be dey, eba be hanto. Obi a wotie bia, but ebia top Ghanaian officials arrested in cocaine issue. Now they share the number of a year beba. Now they share names na ebeba. Eti MPP should be the last party to be talking about stop cocaine. They should stop it. O ma kwa kwa mu ti se keje ti agronfo no. Hey, what do you ma wa just can wo boto wa no de ni sa chiro wachi. Hey, agronfo, no wa dani wa di wo be twa ho no wa yira okodi dade.
Okay. Yeah, time no class.
You see, maybe MPP need be question one platform to say national security should come and brief, and son Akufo Addo free aban no. The Takra did 3 missing girls. No. Do you know of their whereabouts as we speak now? Baby, say Obanika just say they are safe. They are okay. Me say, have there been any burial ceremony? We sat here unprecedented. Within the police service, within 2-3 years, Obrifi Chief Supu, Ako Commissioner. Instead of what about Juma, be born abasunu, or be chant from
Okay.
They didn't feel on, and they didn't call Yoku. Such a person, such a person could be fired from the service by now. Okay. The woman is not fit for purpose. Okay. No. And I understand you. There is no fish in your party.
30 seconds.
And I make sure.
I don't know, yes, I guess.
Winning she.
Jadi oyeno. Kakra me dia me nim say omoto nsa friend.
Ye nyet you.
Omoto nsa friend ono so buy. But obedru ye no. Omo say omo man prior notice say omo postpone. Ono so say be na me
catch live.
Me can no.
Sometimes so winning she no.
Then yes I be ukasa na you are being person. Dem me can say. Me say you say you inviting no. Through official miss. And almost a tron back say almost suspended due to 1 or 2 issues. But no so about Jabeka say Bibisa NC. It against the leadership of the party. What is important?
I much as I just a food in Trana.
Men can't I just a food in Trana. I'm saying can't say
you can't just say
national party. National party national what is important in the say almost resolve.
Hey,
me organizing VIP buses in you. Anna Meti say. Anna Meti say. Yes, or what postpone that was a full enemy. Look, none for Dumana, and none for Ira. It is a more postpone. It's not a matter of
press a call.
Press a call. Test message. What the man how grand friend. Text message. Put a text message. Say meeting postponed. And then one. One man no oh share. Say Obi Oha SSA hollow before the disciplinary committee. The general secretary of the MPP. What no the statute sans him hunina. What want it? And you call ye can say cabinet grant ye can monfa. Ye say ya or monfa. Can a general secretary of the party. In some of the guy, one what can some when you not be a quiet to her? I don't know, be to me, my mechanic. What would your show, Munu? What in my car? One toe, one num, woo your campaign. And I wait ye, your Bobby Moa, and in your cacao. Now, obesuna, Mudin any, eh? The Anna Cosun in answer, I dress a or no, or young can say now. Hey! Me say ambush or mukoko ambush no parliament ye nyin in free leadership yi enfa no konko hye to ne de kai ka wina no Justin Kodua ka ho ana mo yes ade ni na na den oseche bozu ebeka say ye yi no was say hwan was say good ne Justin Kodua what did Kodua leadership of parliament no mo nya we the ohu ya ne say ya ye no ayi okokodru ho ya say Afenyo magis are take over from you. These are some of the things I think say papa, but in all said and done, Adwa, why are there? Next time you on Befrobia, maybe
the chief strategist, the chief of staff, Julo Zebra, and party members in here. Cocáine Adani Kukunte, me whom be that Kukunte de Midipa. This thing is much ado about nothing. Yeah. My kengum na yen kokeke. Do you understand me? Obi a we conform no. Ohun nyoku conform ya a little bit mover or we conform. Everybody our Ghana as we so and say MPP the Cocáine party. Because I can just prove what I'm saying. They have been sitting MP. Exactly. They have been sitting MP. Of the new patriotic party, chain or US on drag.
MP Ben.
Your friend say, I'm watching.
And Kranza, no.
Yeah, she and this new pen cooking as a movement. Look, Nancy, Sakwan was on your friend say, oh, Chairman Dollar.
Aye.
Yes, so airport still. Or you hostel.
To be frank with you.
Yeah.
Uncrophobia or move.
What I'm saying is that MPP activists involved in cocaine.
But Chamadola
no. The point is that he was arrested in connection with cocaine. And you say it because of sugar.
Me say, setup. Setup.
But Commander,
only the question I disagree with you. No. Say a setup. The intent is that you say you have interest in drug. Oh, come on.
No, only me Chamadola Eminia. Assembly here.
Say what
did you? Wakwako Joe Bikwan. Uratem na tre. Na wo kwako fro ayina. Once ye wo ye can say gate 1 to 7. Ono kwako Joe Bikwan was 7. I didn't see wo gate 2. Eye den no baba involved because he say I didn't know mkokoche ya eba out ntino. Yen konkohwe CCTV cameras. Work at that day he was not on duty. Almost me and keke. Just because of something. Because of position no one airport to go.
Listen, yeah. You have the privilege to work at national security just like myself at the director level. Sadia obi gate 2. I just saw gate 7. It's a ploy.
Oh.
Yes, I'm telling you. Because no minimum obi as in kasa baby. But let me cite this example. Obi aji gift. Eddie bro obi. Ebe drew her a gift to on one in the womb. Yachino. A sentence no. Or service sentence no. But he was not involved. He was just trying to be benevolent. Now when or ye juma ho, he know the gang, the team on him team no. Into a cheat team no. There was an alarm saying he was involved. So I swapping no, a nika a chair semono and a code you come. So they be beba. So I'm telling you that about MPPR, it goes with drag. We know people. They know themselves. What do I say? Now we will see your plane be able to land in Tino. A medical plane in Tino. At the drag neighbor. Since when, Hopeson, I'm saying again, say, you and I have the opportunity to serve our national security. That men are your from her and national security, our operation, I have a broken of one another.
And the ensemble.
And just see. It is called national security, and the composition of national security, no, Minister of Finance, Minister of Agri, not more. They are all part and parcel of it. Yeah. But about the secretariat that are your operational, it deals with the combination of the military, the police, the immigration, the prison service, even the control and accountant general department, based on the issue. What did I say? Then I heard them say, the national security should come and brief the nation. Jesus Christ. And people didn't have with him. Now say from him. I mean, how can the whole national security coordinator come and brief the nation about operations?
What's it that?
Yes, I said from him. In because they talk as if there's nothing in their brain. In national security coordinator, look, once upon a time, a whole national security minister about Chani pajamas naked. And do you know what that means in security? Pajamas are permanently down. You are trying photo at your social media. Do you know the threat in security terms? Once upon a time, they did things that were not supposed to be done. The whole president, nakedness, a flap of the national security apparatus. On the moment, now plane. See, one thing too they don't know. Hopeson was at the airport. Say plane be land here, and send a plane be land pono, and send a plane be land pono. The security apparatus, am I lying? They are aware of everything of such an aircraft.
That's right.
No matter how small or big the aircraft might be. Nipa the flight number, everything about the plane is known to the security apparatus. Composition of NACOP, BNI, National Security itself. Just mention them. What do I say? It's in a whole plane, train plane. Sorry, land here. It's not possible. You can't do that. that's why me start to say it's much ado about nothing. Also for no shika. Bible no cancer afunu. It's what the other church tragum. You understand me? And I don't call such a person a reverend, but I don't want to attack his personality. That is his own choice.
Yeah.
What I say, but the fact is that the do you understand me? And you also not say drag. Prove the drag. They are trying to link it to the CEO's what's the name of the place? Sapeman.
Container no.
I even blame the national security to come out with such a story. There's no need. You have carried out your operation. You have been successful. Case closed. Because national security assembly no. See, operatives. Excuse me, mom, we didn't pay. Public toilet. There are 2 talk can be an operative. Am I lying? Sure. Even the GPS, it happens. They don't need to tell you who I am. It is under Akufo Addo time. Uncle for Kuta Gota. You call Chop Banner point. He say, Mammy, and Mammy Tino, I can't tell you me for national security. You don't need to introduce yourself to who where you went, you know, I do about my abuse.
Okay.
Do you understand me? So if such an operation have taken place, no, it is the prerogative of the system to tell you what went on or what did not go on. Cecilia, no, almost you a allergy be. Say allergy is about my Musa. About my Agbesi. Allergy is an allergy. What do I say? But they have a way of communicating. It is quickly now also for friends in Fordjour. I can say, oh, say allergy or NDC. Hey, you see how cleverly he wants to put the whole thing. But on your smart, there's allergy everywhere. What do I say? So all that they are saying is that it looks similar to what they did in the past. But it's not a story.
Okay.
What do I say? See, I check me. You say NDC former parliamentary candidate. If you know the person, just mention the name of. I mean, they should go to court.
And no crown or moti. NDC 2024. Win Agyapong seat in Anamwa.
Of course.
Yeah.
A parliamentary candidate.
Of course.
Nipadi MP. I didn't want to make as MP. Oh, no. Just
me. I've seen that thing to be much ado about nothing.
All right.
Why?
Okay.
But Papa no. Me didn't hear my system no. I'm so disappointed in the security apparatus. In Fordjour could have been picked up by now. What are they waiting for? 5 diplomats in the yard also. Because he's embarrassing the nation. You and I have been embarrassed nationwide or worldwide. I just say a children tentem. Yeah, children, me can't wait to be a me their coso. I don't know the formula they are using anyway.
No, the formula. Constitution was say what's our immunity and immunity no to mean bush. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 2.
Yes.
When we go through process and now wapim. But since he say, oh, what can ya one provide young kwacheno, not just what boom raso. That's security for no boom raso. It would be a process in the economy. May I like it?
I don't like the process. Because the point is that you see, there are some allegations there we can go through such a process as we can. But to allege say nation is involved in money laundering and drug issue, no, it's a serious issue. So he must act quick kind of a way. Your friend said, the former sports minister, last week,
Mustafa.
One call.
Omoko
parliament.
Our parliament.
Yes, that's what I mean. So they can do the same thing to this guy. Why? Yeah, check do.
All right, Michael.
Many about me dance pa. Mestre say many about me kase me di pa na mti.
Yeah, would answer wo kase ba ye dia.
Asaba kase bebre anka metimi abemu akebi.
Michael kasa.
Me emfa ofidie so na mti. Kaswaman any central region for.
Okay.
MPP 4 titrio from polling station up to constituency level, constituency chairman Yaudakwa Edano, and of course, Yama, my honorable Mrs. Mavis, how I come sen. Menuya.
Former MP.
And your problem. Formal MP. For 3 consecutive terms. Into 12 years. Unprecedented. Obi Anyebi, our constituency. Into Yama Miabe Yebi. Obi anye bida. That is what I mean. It is on record. Say, I don't know first MPR. I know first MPR. We did 12 years.
No, why be?
Me say as you speak currently. Obi any sa record no. Mesrel agbesi nya botre. Atoso mi no. Kasa. Ewu hia. Yenya akonya na ye betra ha na ni ye tiefo edi nkomo a. Our choice of words no. Ese ye hwe. Se menua etra aka se MPP 4 na say am kasa te say isuo emfa ye trima. I think that it is not fair. Me am etra he. Isuo efa me trima. So it is a language a enwo hia say ye be entertain in national discourse. Again, mesre no. Say
no, I will not.
Oh, me can't say but I want to put it on record.
Me say yeah.
I want to put it on record. Say it's improper language in the national discourse.
Yeah, withdraw.
Again, enya no kura so say MPP aya cocaine party. Esa say me amiti hey. Me hu cocaine da. Me nya cocaine business da. And I mean intend say me cocaine business.
Okay.
Mesre. Say by that analogy now me nua na can we also say Ose yambo obi din me I know. Uko second the parliamentary candidate your friend Ama Blay. And we can cross check. Say Yenchinu about cocaine related scandal ana. He's an NDC member. Does that mean say NDC for nyinaye cocaine ana? Let us not stretch argument my parochial partisan interest. That is not the case, please. No, you may say so say
Mr. Chairman, I was serving the sentence.
Mr. Fred.
I was with the Michael.
The American say, Ewu here, say Kasa.
You can your channel way.
Oh, Mrs. Sekendi, Mr. Alleged. Parliamentary candidate, yes, parliamentary candidate.
We were sentencing.
So the fact that one person, the fact that one MPP person has been arrested and sentenced, automatically translate the whole party machinery into a cocaine party. That cannot be fair.
Okay.
That cannot be fair. Sir, no could have impose on me a tenor. Do you know the total number of MPP?
It doesn't matter.
It does. It does. It's mesrel. Adia ye kano. Adia unye pa. Say ye betra na man party color. The substance and the truth no. Na ya pia e dia akoshe akonya na ase. My interest is that me ehu hia me. Say unam na nkofo say Ghana is beginning to turn into a cocaine coaster. We must all be worried. As I say be out here, but who will be ordinary business our manoni. Say who cause our manonia processes are best subject to true because of that alleged tag. Say we are using Ghana to do if anything cocaine. It's a best it is not an issue of say obi a reverend wakan Bible I'm an abre. Let's look at the substance of the issue. Obi say yes see offer evidence in bra na on person beko. Now be say or the evidence in the coin. Or the evidence in the coin. Because at the time my issue we cry by the committee of President John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. I can't say Omonte no more interrogating the issue. Yati committee nana. That mpacho bisa yati committee na.
President Anka committee.
Wanka committee o. CID,
National Security.
And I am asking so that is a committee.
It's not a committee.
No. I'm coming.
Agencies.
And America say the fact is in a cop. Whichever state agencies in Brano. Send an entire machinery. You may in from those agencies. And then they will come
and invite them personally, individually.
And I'm asking that even at the time Felix Ofosu making that pronouncement, was that process activated?
Pronouncement being
pronouncement video is that even a procedure?
Michael Mamin Bisa was Michael. As I'm not can win the evidence I never prove.
Yes, I'm in the evidence. I'm asking a question. Yeah, but
state agencies in our president so among investigations, So we are some security agencies.
Precisely so.
So why is it that I was said this time around I didn't be see that your national security acquire investigations or me boy man.
Me can't post a national security me boy man. We were not even saying national security me boy. What I heard them say, wait. National Narcotic Control Board.
No. I heard it yesterday on a
National Narcotic Control Board.
Say commission.
Committee. Yesterday that.
And America said no. The American say. Nigeria to say any committee. The American say the agencies now.
Agencies also are working on. Omunyina ye national security. The security issue ni.
Many problem. Although the American say at the time now, Felix Ofosu-Kwakye. Ebe make a pronouncement say otchere the new man no. Let me be say agencies no. Almost setting in motion.
Now we better than one because this is a security issue.
That is why I'm
saying.
You
want them to come out?
That is why I'm saying. That is why I'm saying. That's on my press conference. And this is my America say. Who here say?
One more. Almost started and almost started.
This is another question. Maybe so. No, maybe so question. Question. Maybe so say.
Wouldn't say rhetorical. Wouldn't answer. It's maybe sir.
And them I'm coming to me. Oh, Adorye.
I find a 6 now.
Agbesi. Me say cocaine issue there. Say idea a year of serious concern to all of us. In this obi and Nigeria.
Landed wa Ghana high emergency land tender.
Me can say plane in landi wa Ghana. Let's go into the issue. Let's interrogate it. Na ya hu nukure wom. I don't think that this should be something.
National security matters. Yeah, until you interrogating.
National security. I'm be my briefing that. Something happened.
Under 8 years of Akufo Addo.
It is not about 8 years of Akufo Addo.
They don't do it.
So if they don't do it and somebody is doing now,
they are not supposed to do that.
And no crisis. That's the reason why your national security budget is crying. Yeah, audit.
I know that. I mean, mommy.
Some of the security issues, you know, say about catching. I wouldn't need to be Okruma.
Minimpa.
And the other was your force. Who I say, Ntim Fordjour allegations. You know, I'm a briefing.
Oh, na say young force you Okruma. No mama babonti.
It is because of Addo and Ntim Fordjour.
No,
because he should know better.
Once the procedure is there, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the quantum of pressure I am
out. Of Parliament and a committee ranking members that matter. On defense and interior, he should know better. Say some of the security issues, you know, young cannot think keke.
Such a committee, they took an oath.
The American say national security. Mobi to me for two. Say, come out and give us briefing.
So don't you think said
nobody can force them? It is who was the bad president? No, me Jaswa.
Let me say one simple question. Per the caliber of honorable Reverend Ntim Fordjour, ni debiality, I mean, I know say a wrong English, but let me use that. Ni debiality. As a member of parliament, as a ranking member of defense and interior committee, we have the responsibility. I assign a manner. Do odi kanye, you know, was it necessary?
Why not? Why not?
And you know, nim na juma.
There is no nim na juma. You are whistleblowers, so. And I know so. Any Ghana man.
Our security issues are.
You are whistleblowers. Inti ampo say or hiding under whistleblower. What is wrong with that?
And as a member of parliament and a defense and interior committee member,
there are many options to explore. In his wisdom,
wrong. Because he would have used the best option than to use this one.
What is important? And then they say, Reverend Ntim Fordjour.
Whistleblower because me
whistleblower.
The American what you say, me access to. Unim security information say yenya ebu awa yantra radio so anka sanke betimi aka na hide under whistleblower by unim say asem bi ho na wokoka na asem na wokoka na betimi the damage about o man nimu a you have a right channel betimi e asem na kodan to come and blow it.
Adorye asem a Reverend Ntim Fordjour be say 3 questions no be say you and na first two ne de and de ho hia ye
first two ne de
first two no say alleged your friend is saying cocaine. Yes.
There's a workers are only facts.
And you say, mommy.
And you know
yes. I say
facts.
Whether or fat or only fat or the orca and I may repeat to say on make 3 strong points.
The wouldn't approaching of fire.
Mommy may say maybe some question.
Yes or no.
It is about yes or no. The many person me when say. Obviously, Nyama me and so. I Why don't you know the first two the government is not interested? But last one the first one no can say when you in tie say ya check cocaine our second D. Now what is the latest update on that arrest? Sasu no say say
Ntim Fordjour pesa I didn't know information onya.
It is not about whether onya. It is not about whether say onya na say obenya. And I make just say on no choosing medium of so. It is not about whether open information obenya na say onya. He chooses how to go about Niniama. Inti abesre some mo yan share cocaine asem we mu. Na yi politics in film because yan is and then be ka say Ochina, you kasi. Now the rare issue na nkasa po de.
Yo, waiting for Winnie and Samuel Hopeson Adorye Bediatuo wa brobro and Sembe Bre Nara eso. Because so now subscribe to channel idea but more say be subscribe. Now I like video don't give us a thumbs up na fi share my wo foforo so na when you be here now and Samuel koso e wo Ghana memoir. Also bet me otchere wadwen afa some way nyina ho e comment box mu mobeti mi gabby in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.